Titans of the bird kingdom, physical attributes. The ostrich and the emu dominate their realms with a majestic yet formidable presence. Ostriches, hailing from the African savannas, stand up to an impressive 9 feet tall and can weigh as much as 345 pounds. Emus, a tad shorter but no less impressive, reach up to 6.2 feet in height and can weigh around 132 pounds. Their size betrays not clumsiness but an agile, streamlined form built for endurance. While both birds share a flightless fate, their powerful legs tell stories of speed and stamina. The ostrich's long, muscular legs allow it to sprint up to 43 miles per hour, making it the fastest two-legged animal on the planet. Emus are not far behind, capable of reaching speeds up to 31 miles per hour. Moreover, when discussing these behemoths, one cannot overlook their eggs, the largest of any living land animal in the case of the ostrich. An ostrich egg can weigh around 3 pounds and measures roughly 6 inches in its longest dimension. Emu eggs are smaller, but notable for their dark, emerald green shell. Both types of eggs are marvels of natural design, featuring thick shells that protect potential progeny from external pressures and temperatures. Survival of the swift behavioral traits and adaptations. The behavioral patterns of ostriches and emus underscore a finely tuned adaptation to their environments. Ostriches, often found in groups, employ a complex social structure that aids in the communal nurturing of young and shared vigilance against predators. Conversely, emus, primarily solitary or found in pairs except during breeding season, traverse wide expanses of the Australian outback, showcasing an incredible resilience to shifts in climate and food availability. Their diet is as varied as the ecosystems they inhabit. Ostriches are omnivorous, with a diet that includes plant matter like seeds and leaves, as well as insects. This varied diet allows them to thrive in the savanna where resources fluctuate seasonally. Emus, similarly versatile, consume fruits, flowers, insects, and small vertebrates, utilizing a large, muscular gizzard that effectively grinds down even the toughest plant material. The ability of these birds to run swiftly is not merely a means of travel, but a critical survival mechanism. The ostrich's long strides, for instance, are not just for speed, but also enable stealthier movements through grassy savannas, minimizing noise and disturbance that could alert predators. Legacy of adaptation, evolutionary history, and ecological roles. Tracing their lineage back through the annals of time, both ostriches and emus are relics of the Gondwana supercontinent, their evolutionary paths shaped by continental drift and environmental cataclysm. The ostrich is part of a group known as ratites, which includes other large flightless birds like the rhea and kiwi. This group diverged from flying birds approximately 60 million years ago, shortly after the dinosaurs perished. Emus share this ancient heritage, having adapted over millions of years to survive Australia's varied and often harsh landscapes. These adaptations extend beyond physical and dietary traits into ecological roles such as seed dispersal, influencing the biodiversity and ecological well-being of their habitats. Both birds act as keystone species in their environments. The ostrich, through its grazing and ranging behaviors, helps in the dispersal of seeds and maintains grassland health. Similarly, emus affect the structure of vegetation and help control insect populations, contributing to ecological balance. A comparative glance: health, longevity, and human interaction. In terms of health and longevity, ostriches and emus exhibit remarkable resilience but face distinct challenges. Ostriches can live up to 40 to 45 years in captivity, though their lifespan in the wild is often shorter due to predation and disease. Emus generally live for about 20 years or less. Both species are susceptible to similar health issues, including respiratory infections and parasitic infestations, necessitating careful management in conservation and farming contexts. Human interaction has profoundly impacted both species. The ostrich industry, once booming for its feathers, now focuses more on meat and leather, practices that raise ethical and conservationist concerns. Similarly, emu farming, driven by demand for meat, oil, and leather, has grown, though it remains controversial. Both ostriches and emus continue to captivate and educate, serving as ambassadors for the challenges facing large, flightless birds in the modern world. As we further our scientific and ecological understanding, these birds not only remind us of our planet's dynamic history, but also guide us towards more sustainable coexistence with the natural world. This journey through the lives of ostriches and emus reflects a broader narrative about adaptation, survival, and the interwoven destinies of Earth's living creatures. As we stand witness to their race across time and terrain, it becomes not just a story of two birds, but a testament to life's enduring penchant for resilience and renewal.